Hi, I'm Byrd with Byrd Architecture. Today on the Tate School project, we're installing SIPS panels, which are a structurally insulated panel. They attach to the blue laminated beams and are part of the structure for this product. The building is moving well, and we hope to have a final product in a few months.
Hey, I'm Drew Milsaps with American Construction. I'm the project manager here for the Tate's multi-purpose building. As you can see behind me, we've just finished the erection of the glue lamp timber trusses. We're in the process of installing the SIPS panel so we can hopefully get them dry in the next few days. Our steel is completed and we're starting to work on some of the metal studs, infill, and things are progressing very well. I'm very happy. So we are excited about getting the Tates here in the project and the students as well. Thanks.